going on, guys? So today we are installing the splitter. It's the Laguna Seca front splitter. I bought it used. I picked it up at TWS. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you look at it. Watch it. So today I'm here at Maverick's house. He was kind enough to let me use his garage. I needed the tools. I didn't have the tools, specific tools for it, so I'm borrowing his. He's back there. Say hi.
Hey guys.
So this is Maverick's WRX 2016, all modded. Alright, so here's the splitter. I've done a few things already that was pretty easy, but I'll show you guys what I did, so whoever's installing this, you guys won't have a hard time doing it. Alright, so right underneath the car, there's gonna be, I already drilled the holes, but as you can see right here, there's two holes you need to drill, a big one and a small one, just so you can put these U-clips in. There's about 18 of them. You have to do those, put the U-clips in, and that's it. And after that, just put the splitter right underneath, put the bolts that came with it, and that's all you have to do. So we're about to do that. Okay, so we have about 4 of them plugged already, screwed in. So we have about 14 more to go. So alright, so we got all the bolts underneath screwed in. So now we're gonna do we're gonna install the we're gonna install the splitter rods. So
this is a Chicky Beat production.
alright, so we finally finished with the install on the splitter. It looks good. You can't really see the splitter that good during the nighttime, but I'll make sure I'll take some video during the day. There's few bolts that wouldn't go in, so I'm just gonna have to take off the bumper one of these days and put a nut on it. So, but overall it was pretty easy install. It didn't take us more than an hour. Basically drill it, bolt it. That's it. Just have the right tools and you'll be good to go. Well, I want to thank Mavs for letting me use his garage and his tools. But anyways, that'll be it for the splitter. If you haven't seen the TWS video, make sure you go watch that. I took a lot of footage of race cars, and aside from that, you guys make sure please subscribe, like the video. If you have any questions or comments, just make sure you guys put them down there. Alright, thank you.